Hey people, so this movie called World Famous Lover that stars Vijay Devarkonda and Rashmi. I wish we had Rashmika Mandana in the movie too because I mean this movie is a very it's like if you've read the reviews, it is three stories in one. So, I mean, certain scenes you feel like you are watching Arjun Reddy back on screen, you know. So, it has a very definite Arjun Reddy hangover, the film. But but I have to say that it's a very honest attempt at doing something different. You know, this whole idea of having like literally three stories running parallel. You know, and that's how the title also has come to be world famous lover, like as in you know a person who's seen in different scenarios. So I find that unique, but Mm, Vijay Devarkonda has done his best. So, in the end, I think that's what counts the most. That an artist is doing their very best on screen, but as an audience, I don't know, we go to a movie to be entertained. So that entertainment quotient is very important. So yeah, world famous lover people. First of all, the reviews in English and the movies in Telugu, so that is like funny. But yeah, but on the whole, uh, it's a movie you should watch if you are a real Vijay Devarkonda fan. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.